Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video it's about fixing some of the issues. So let's start the program. The issues are related with the controls, the keyboard controls. So when you make new texture, let's say this one, and you want to rotate it and then make some report, for example, just whatever you write, it's not related with the controls over the texture editor as previous was the issue. So now it just fixed it. It's pretty simple actually. I just needed to add some just one condition. I'll show you later. And let's try something else. Let's say this wallpaper and rotate it back. Let's resize it and apply some filter. Let's say that colorize. Let's export this. And try again with the adding report. So yeah, it's not related with the with the texture editor.
Let's see the source code.
It just over here inside the controls, when something is processing in the state of the editor, it just this functions over here doesn't work. It's not executing them, and based on this change it just fixed the issue. That's all for this video. If you have some questions, suggestions, let me know in the comments below.
Arigato! Until next time!